Hello YouTube, welcome back. In this video I will show how to open an iBall UPS and replace a dead battery. This UPS is completely dead. This model is an iBall UPS-621v. Tools and parts that you will need: a Phillips screwdriver, multimeter and a replacement 12 volts 7 ampere hour battery. Please ensure that you disconnect the power cord from the power outlet before opening the unit. Also be very careful while opening and handling the internal components. Flip over the UPS, remove the 4 screws and keep the screws aside. Turn over the UPS back to the upright position and gently open the top cover. Take care not to touch any of the parts inside with your bare hands. If there is any dust, clean with a brush and a blow of air using a blower. Readings on the multimeter shows that the battery is completely dead. I'm going to replace the existing dead battery with an exide chloride safepower sealed lead acid battery. You can use any make that you prefer. Prices of this type of battery ranges from 700 to 1000 rupees. Disconnect the red positive cable from the battery followed by the negative black cable. This unit has been opened before as it's missing a plastic retainer. The retainer is used to secure the battery in place. Let's check the voltage of the new battery. It shows approximately 13.11 volts. Put in the new battery and connect the negative, that is the black cable, to the negative of the battery and the red cable to the positive of the battery. Check the unit before assembling back. Put back the top cover. Put back the front panel by snapping it in. Flip the UPS over. Ensure that the power cables are not obstructing with the screw passage. Fasten the 4 screws. I've gone ahead and connected the power cord to the mains. All working perfectly. Hope this video is of help to you guys. Please subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. More videos coming your way.